So number one, if you're wearing makeup, remove all your makeup. If you're wearing makeup, make sure you double cleanse. I double cleansed with my favorite Foreo Luna 3. If you don't wear makeup, just cleanse once. After cleansing, I just put my Pixi Beauty Glow Tonic and I'm just ready to go. And let me show you how I use it. You plug in your device. Remember, it's not a cordless device. And then what I like to do is I like to do the app. Use this device maybe to start with once a week and then move up to doing it 4 times a week for no more than 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go on the Comper Health app. My device is already linked. Choose my device and enter the skincare page and it will show you that. It's gonna connect via Bluetooth to my device. First of all, I'm going to apply the serum. Bear in mind that it does dry quickly, so be generous with it. Always keep away from the thyroid just in case. I wouldn't put it on there. Now it's moved to the anti-wrinkle and repair treatment. It says to press on the eye area, under the eye area. Do not look at that light directly.
The cheek area. Press select.
It's nice and warm, so that must be the thermotherapy. So it's a bit dried out, so when it dries out, do put more serum. It absorbs so easily, so you might actually need quite a bit of this. Now it will be do a lifting and firming treatment, which is with the LED, EMS and MAS. So it says still push up in this scenario. I feel younger already. I actually really like this device. I think it's the fact that it's medical grade that really makes me excited to use it. Close your eyes while you do this bit. It says to close your eyes, the under eye area.
Move to the other side.
This must be their microcurrent treatment. I like that it does not zap you at all. It tells me to do the treatment the day after tomorrow, so that's my treatment finished and this is the results live. When you're done, unplug the device, clean the head and store it. So all in all, what can I say? My skin looks radiant. I do see an improvement and I'm excited to see what happens within 28 days of using it. So I'll be doing a post on how I get on. I have my before picture and then I'll put my 28-day results picture to see the improvement. I really enjoyed this device, especially because it's medical grade, so I know that within 28 days I'm gonna get real results. I can't fault the design. It makes it easy to hold. It's beautiful, it's sleek. Love to have it in my room. It's really high quality. I can't fault it. The serum I liked it. My skin didn't react. It does dry out so quickly, so you have to keep applying and applying and applying because it's easily absorbed. It's quite a good one. The treatment is quite long. I like that because you're doing 4 treatments in one, so I'm more likely to use this because I know that I don't have to grab 4 different devices to get all the benefits that I get with this one. You know, just all in one, 4 treatments, beautiful results. I mean, I've only used it 3 times now already. This is my 3rd time, it's not my 1st, and I can say that I'm pleasantly surprised. Yeah, I love it. Thank you, Comper Health Skin. I really love the device. This makes the absolute best gift for a real skincare fanatic. So I'm so excited that you watched this Comper Smarkin 4-in-1 beauty device review and the HA Essence from Comper Health. I hope you enjoyed it. Get yours now before stocks finish. It's truly incredible. I can't wait to show you the results of my 28-day trial. If you want to know more about the device and serum, just go to the website link down below. Just get on the website. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this and I love you.